everyone, bentornati sul mio canale. It's been a minute. I wanted to give you all a little update, un piccolo aggiornamento. But this video isn't about Italy, it's about the new series I'm hosting over at Wirecutter's YouTube channel. It's called Wirecutter Taste Test. Here's a little teaser. Chef Andres, there's a million things to say about you, but I think the most important thing to say today is, how do you feel about hot dogs?
I love hot dogs.
Let's hop into the first round, shall we? For round one, we have New York versus Chicago. Today we're testing instant noodles, frozen appetizers. The tinned fish takeover has begun. And put them to the test. What the frick am I saying? Shall we dive in?
Yeah, let's go.
This is like my dream come true.
Oh, good grief.
This is a first for me.
You're gonna love this.
Oh, I like these. I'm sorry, I just feel so bad for myself right now. This is a Wirecutter Taste Test. Thanks for joining. See you next week. Bye.
Bye.
This has been so much fun. It's kind of a throwback to all of these years spent on this platform on YouTube, but this time I get to work with the coolest, most incredibly talented group of people every day. And I'm so excited to bring you guys such fun stuff. So make sure to go over to Wirecutter's YouTube channel, subscribe, and I'll see you over there. Thanks for tuning in. Ciao.